Hi y'all. My hair's a mess. I just said that. Mary said that's alright. They'll be looking at me because my hair is pretty. Stitch Fix. Mary has a couple of new blades. Which box opener do you have for us today?
Ember, who's a pirate moose.
Ember. Ember is a pirate sword.
There's a skull. There's a skull.
There's a skull.
Crossbones.
Skull and crossbones. Oh, okay. I wish I had this when I got that pirate shirt in that one fix. Alright.
Ember needs some TLC. She's a little rusty.
Yeah, you gotta take her. This has been at the bottom of the deep blue sea.
Yeah.
Now we gotta, here, you open it. You're the sword expert.
Expert. It's funny.
Alright, let's see how this actually cuts.
Well, the problem is I can't get...
This is Ember. There's no wonder the pirate dropped the sword.
No,
This
she's
is a
pretty
terrible
sharp, but it's
sword.
just like... You know what? It's duller down there. There we go. Ooh, Ember. Okay, there we go.
Oh, we got it open. Alright. Okay, Ember can go back in Ember's scabbard now. Here you go. Anybody who wants to find out about Stitch Fix, I'm going to have a description below. I'll also have the names and prices of the items written in the description bar below, and I'll have a link to my Stitch Fix 101 video if you are so inclined. I did peek before I got this, and what that means is after your order ships, you can go into your Stitch Fix account and see what's in the box, and I did that. I'm kind of interested in this one. We'll see how it is. I certainly, at least one item I really hope fits. This is the envelope to return anything I don't want, postage paid. This is my card with my note from the stylists and my invoice. I'll read that note in a minute. And here is my bundle. Okay.
Something printed, which you'll probably like.
I know what that is. I know what two of these are. Okay, here is a tote, camel color. I told her I'm still on the lookout for a camel color tote. This one does not feel quite as nice as the one I got a few fixes ago that I returned and probably should have kept. But the handles were so thin they kind of dug into me. This does have thicker handles. So I'm assuming this is Courtney again, and she really does seem to be listening. I'm going to check. I'm going to read the note and see if this is Courtney again. Okay, let's see. It is Courtney. All right. Dear Monica, happy Fix Day. Do you have any fun plans for Valentine's Day? I saw that you were interested in trying a pair of Margaret M pants, so I sent a great pair with a navy white crosshatch print. Wear them with a Daniel Rainn blouse and layer the Creme cardigan over the look. I have the perfect blazer in mind for you, but we're sold out of it this round. Stay tuned. Good. I have been for a while in the market for a blazer that will fit my narrow shoulders and short arms. I will be on the hunt for your next fix. Finish the look with the Accessory Collective scarf and the Urban Expressions bag. The bag is the easy camel tote you've been looking for, and the straps are wider and more comfortable than the straps on the bag in your first January fix. Let me know how you like the pants. Cheers, Courtney. She is really listening to my comments, and I appreciate that. Let's see what's in the bundle. These are the Margaret M pants. Where I work, someone was wearing Margaret M pants the other day, and I said, you know, my very first fix I got a pair, and they were terrible, but I think they were the wrong size, and I really wanted to try another pair. These don't quite feel as stretchy. I'm curious to try them on. This pattern, this color, you'll know how I feel about blue, including navy. It's not my favorite, but it does make it more neutral. It'll go with more things. So we'll try those on and see how they fit. Now, here we go. I said keep sending infinity scarves. I want to alter my colors and my patterns. Again, blue with a little bit of pink. This is not normally my thing, but I am looking for a variety of colors and patterns so I can change things up. Anyway, here's the color and pattern. It's nice and thin for spring, and I think it will go with a lot of things. I'm keeping it, so I will even put it on now. Even though this is not normally the colors I like, I don't have anything like this. So,
Nice.
Yeah, this is... Courtney, it's always safe to send me infinity scarves, no matter what. They could be covered with, like, raw chickens. I would still keep an infinity scarf. Actually, that would be kind of cool.
I was going to say pink flamingos, but I forgot
yes!
that you love pink flamingos.
I love pink flamingos. All right.
Ugh.
Here is the thing I saw that I really liked on the card. I hope it fits. It's feeling kind of a thin chiffon-y. And it is purple. It's looking a little more maroon on camera than I think it is, and I really like a purple shirt for Lent, which is what it is right now, or it's about to be. It's sort of it's a reddish purple. It has slight sleeves. I'm not sure about the material, but I have been asking for a top like this just for work. I can throw a blazer over it and go with a lot of things, including that scarf. So Daniel Rainn top. It's light enough that I can wear it in the spring, but with a cardigan or blazer over it, that'll work. So that I'm really looking forward to. Now this on the card looked white, but it is definitely sort of a cream color, and it's shorter than I thought. It's kind of a grandpa cardigan. It's extremely soft. When I saw this on the card, I went, eh. My favorite cardigan, this is a Stitch Fix cardigan. This is the Martina Slub Knit cardigan. It is my favorite cardigan of all time. It's nice and thin, which is again good for a classroom. So this I looked at and said, I think this is just going to look too big on me. But it's really soft and actually it's kind of nice. So those are the items. I already know I'm keeping the scarf, and hopefully tomorrow or the next day I can film a try-on for you and add that on to the end here. Okay, y'all, try-on day. Throw my glasses down again. I'm wearing, this is my own shirt. I'm wearing this purple shirt for a reason. You'll find out what that is in a minute. Anyway, the first thing I wanted to show you is the Margaret M pants. I did request these. I got a pair in my first fix I didn't like, but since then I've seen them on other people, and I think my first fix they were just the wrong size. So I ordered these. I'm going to show them to you, and on all these clothes I want your honest opinion. Okay. I'm sure most people these are cropped, but I have short legs. They also have zipped pockets. Very comfortable, very stretchy. Now the next item is the one I was most excited for when I saw the preview, because what I need, one of the reasons I ordered this fix, is I need work clothes. I need tops I can wear in the classroom. I really wanted nicer t-shirt style dressy tops. By dressy tops, I don't mean a fancy top. I just mean something that's not like a regular t-shirt, a little bit more than a t-shirt, but fits like a t-shirt. I'm wearing this purple top. This is kind of a grape purple. I don't think it's a bad purple on me. And it's my purple sweater I got last November. It's not Stitch Fix, I just bought it. Now this is the purple that came in there, and I just want you to look at the difference in the purples on me. This is sort of a muted reddish purple. I think the grape works better on me. All right, but I want to show you this Daniel Rainn top, so I'm going to put this on next. Okay, neckline's good. I like this little pleating. Tulip sleeves. And let me go back. I still have the Margaret M pants on, and I do have to keep pulling them up. I am feeling like this is a little big on me. I think a medium might be better. I think what I really need is a large petite. But let me show you again. Tell me if you think this is a little bit too big on me. Okay, it's definitely... Here's that scarf with it. And I do see she was trying to get something that I could wear together. Now the cardigan. When I saw the cardigan on the preview, I was like, meh, it's not my kind of cardigan. This is so soft. It is very delicate in the knit. Can you see that? I feel like this might snag on something and just pull apart. You see how thin that is? The color is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is softer than I can imagine. Let me put it on and you'll see. It is kind of a grandpa cardigan, but grandpa would never wear a knit like this. You can already see what's happening, right? All right. Is it supposed to be this big? The colors on this don't go with the trousers. This is a warm, kind of a warm oatmeal. I can roll this up. Is this supposed to be this big? Is that, I know like the 90s style oversized stuff is coming back in. I don't really care what's in and out. I care what looks good on me. But, what do you think? Should I just size down? Is it supposed to be like this? This is not very expensive. It is really, really soft. It wouldn't be overly hot because it's thin, but it certainly, it feels good. And it's got pockets. So what do you think? Size down or just go with the oversized look? I forgot to show you the bag with it all. All right, bag definitely doesn't work. I have a clash of colors now. All right, let me show it to you closer. Okay, here it is. There is a flap here you can open. It's down here. All right, just flat. There's no extra zipper thing on that side. Inside, pretty typical. It has that kind of side area here for your cell phone. And on this side has the zipper. Okay, recap here. Let me fix this a little bit. There we go. All right, the scarf, doesn't it look nice with the purple sweater? I love it. All right, scarf's a no-brainer. Sorry about the reflection again. Keep forgetting to take them blind without my glasses. I really like this a lot, so that's kind of a no-brainer, the scarf. The bag. As I said before, I need a tote bag to take things to work. This is not it. All right, there's a lot to like about this tote bag, but I have similar purses, and I keep coming back to that one I returned in January. That one really ticked all the boxes except for the thin handles, and I may just ask her to send it to me again. This just feels feels a little on the cheaper side, and actually it might be good for traveling. It looks like it rolls up pretty nicely if you want a tote bag to take with you but stuff in a suitcase. This is not what I need, and this is a definite return. The Daniel Rainn top. I am leaning against this one primarily for size, and again, the color, I'm not sure about the color. It's okay. I'm glad she sent me a solid color. There's a lot to like about it. I just don't think it looks that great on me. It's definitely going in the right direction for me. I'm thinking this is a return. I'm not completely sure yet, so I'm waiting on your feedback. And then, of course, we have the Grandpa cardigan that is so soft and has such an open weave and is so big. I don't know. This is a runner-up, but should I size down? Should I ditch it because the chances it'll unravel? I don't know. I didn't think I'd like this, and I really do like it, so I'm on the fence about this one. And then, oh, of course, the trousers. I keep pulling them up, okay? They fit because of my belly holds them up, but the rest of it, it just keeps, every time I go to move or sit down, this back slides down, revealing, lovely plumber's crack, which I'd like to avoid. They feel great. They feel great. There's a lot I like about these things. There's a lot, the pattern I'm not sure about. Hey, for an old lady, I'm pretty flexible. Gosh, I don't know. I think these are going to be returned, but there is a lot I like about them. So that's my wrap up. I'm eager to see what you guys think, and I will be getting another fix because I didn't quite find what I need in this one. However, this is very much on the right track for me. This is the kind of clothes I actually need for work. So overall, I'm very happy with the direction Courtney is taking. We just have to kind of find something that I guess has a better fit on me. So I will see you soon. Bye-bye.